How to turn off login alerts notifications on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off login alerts notification on Facebook. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First you will launch Facebook application on your device and then head into the home section of Facebook. From the home section, select the menu icon at top right corner of the screen. And after that, you have to choose the settings and privacy option and then tap the setting option to access setting and privacy page. Scroll down, tap on account center at top of the screen and scroll down. Now select the option for password and security and then tap login alerts on the security checks. Select your Facebook application or account and then you have to choose in-app notifications. Simply you need to uncheck mark all this in-app notifications such as email or your phone number and then successfully turn off login notifications on Facebook. So that is how we successfully turn off login notification on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching.